Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, search for Google Gemini and open the very first website you see. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can create free AI images and AI videos. For this tutorial, we'll select AI video. Here you'll need to enter your prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. So let's give a prompt. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Gemini AI. You can choose from different models such as 3.5 Flash Lite, 3.6 Flash, and 3.1 Pro. It's up to you. You can also upload a reference image or video if needed and select the aspect ratio as well. Once everything is set, simply click the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. This free tool doesn't require you to sign up manually. You can access it directly using your Google account. Also, you can generate unlimited free AI images and AI videos up to 10 seconds each with this tool, at least until the platform introduces generation limits, restrictions, or a paid subscription. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with Gemini AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.